Hello, what's up guys? What's up guys? It's a brand new system that come over the planet, and I wanna just review for you. This is a second account that I opened in this account exactly. And in this account you can see it's a system that you just share a referral link and you make money. Anyone that click your link, just click but do not sign up. You earn $1 per referral visitor. If you click the link, you get $1. Guys, it's free, and you can see the total threshold is $100. So if you get 100 people sign up or click your link, you make money. And you can see this account is only one click that I get it, guys. And I don't want to show you my next account, but I have double account here. But in this case, I want to just giving you this simple method. So you can see your boy miracle key plus cordial Godfred. Okay, but I don't want to plan out with this. I just want to show you a quick video about this system, and you just copy and click the link below this video, and you just have a free account with this system. What you need to do is just share your link. Okay, so if you see the down there, you will see this link. You must be referral. You must be referral with either. So you must be referral. So guys, you cannot go to online and just type moneyoung.com, then you just sign up. No, you must be referral. So click the link below and we gain a team together in this world. Okay guys, it's free system to start making money. If you don't have any experience, you just copy a link, put on social media. You can see this my LinkedIn account that I opened. Sorry, my system is running slow. Right, so I'll just come back. Okay, my system is running slow. What the fuck? Exactly, friend. Okay, guys. So, like I said, it's a free way to start making money online. Okay, so you can see, if you have PayPal account, you can receive your money quick from this system. Use PayPal account. Okay, use PayPal account. So you can see my PayPal method. Everything is done for you guys. You reach $100, you get free fucking money. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Okay, see you inside.